Alright, welcome back to the channel. Here in the garage today, got a little side quest, not on the bikes. We're actually going to be working on the rig today. So last time I went camping, I realized this is kind of an issue as I was sleeping inside the vehicle. I have an uneven surface here. I thought it would be okay, but you put the mattress there and it just is not the most pleasant thing in the world to sleep on. So not super concerned, should be pretty easy. Figured I'd film it since I didn't film me building this platform, which I should have. There's hundreds of these on YouTube. I kind of winged this one a little bit. This was my first woodworking project, but it's pretty simple. Running through it. 3/4 inch plywood, if not an inch. I can't really remember. Basically the length of the cargo area here into 3 sections and one along the back there. I should have left that open looking back just so I can fold the seats down if I can't get into the hatch and pull stuff out of there, but it's okay. Then just this one piece under the top. I opted out of the drawers just because wood's so heavy, so I wanted to keep the weight down. Obviously there's going to be other gear back here, so this is what I kind of got going so far. It's not mounted up there or anything. I just have a bottle under it kind of mocking it up. I'm going to take measurements on the 2 ends there to make sure it's pretty centered. And that should be it, honestly. I'm going to wrap it in carpet, so you're not going to have such a harsh edge here. And then my idea is the hinges are going to go underneath, and this will fold down. Obviously closer, the bottle's in the way, but this will fold down, and then when you need it, you can just fold it up onto there. Only problem with that is I have to fold the seats all the way forward, which they do go into another position, so it's not the end of the world. It's not like I sleep in this thing every day, but obviously for kind of max concealment. And I've seen a lot of people put, you know, another piece of wood on top of here and then have it fold out, but it's not really something I'm interested in. I want to keep this as flat as possible, and I don't want to have to add another piece of wood. I think this is plenty for what I felt, and the mattress is pretty thick, so it was just that intense gap there. You would feel it at times during the night. So all right, the easiest way I found to do this is pretty much just give yourself about an inch and a half, and then slide your board up, and then use the straight edges on the actual wood to make your cut, versus centering the wood. That way, once you actually center it, you still have about a half an inch or so, a little bit more maybe, to where you can connect it or do the staples on the back side of the board. So I'm just gonna put it at 2 inches probably, I think. Let's see. A little bit more than 2. I'm gonna go ahead and make this first cut here. That is not exactly how to do it, but should have enough carpet now to where we wrap this around. We're good to go. Let me get that stapled up, and should be good. So if you don't have one of these, go get one. This one's coordinated. They make fancier ones, but for the use I do, it's good enough. I'm gonna try to sort of even here. I know I kind of butchered that other part. I know there's probably an actual method to this, but good enough for me. So get the rest of these staples in, and I'll check back in. pretty much how it looks. My cut was not perfect, as you can see. I mean, actually, I'll take it back. It's pretty even. I just didn't get to wrap it around the side like I usually do, but I mean, not gonna lie, I might get into upholstery here soon. So I got my marks where I need the hinges to be. It's gonna go something like this and then fold down. Oh shit. Do not put your finger behind the hinge. Alright, so I ran into a little dilemma, but this is what I came up with. And you can see it's still way better than that gap there, which is ultimately what I was going for. So, yeah, I'm not really worried about this space right here. The mattress, like I said, it's pretty thick, so you really won't, unless you're like falling in the corner, then okay, we have issues. But, yeah, just covered up that gap. It's the main thing I wanted to do. Only issue now is when I fold the seats all the way forward, you usually have to like, actually that worked easier, so maybe I was wrong. Falls down, and you can spin here, still put your seats back. So able to recline the seats, and didn't really add any more length. You can feel it back there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Give you guys a quick overview of how I have this set up as well. And in here, it's all the camping stuff pretty much, minus the cooler and food, cooktop, all your cookware, citronella, your lights, your sleeping pad, all that stuff is in there. So I've specifically kind of designed this around these bins. They're weatherproof, they're cheap, and they're not that tall in height, so you still have plenty of room once you have a mattress in here. So yeah, that slides under there. These little side panels, that's some toolkit right there, some paper towels and stuff on that side, and then jump box, cleaning materials, and you can still access your little cubby there, which was where I keep all the straps and everything. So yeah, this side, just the air pump, some roadside stuff, tackle boxes in there. But all right, that wraps it up. Let me know if you guys enjoy the GX content, man. Kind of testing the waters a little bit. I've had this thing about 2.5 years. I've done quite a bit to it, just didn't film any of it. So if there's something, you know, seems to work, then I'll put some more GX content out. Until then, do have a camping trip in the works next weekend. Possibly Croom again, so weather's kind of breaking up, so that should be fun. I'll definitely film that. And yeah, man, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.